Welcome you guys to my channel for this amazing Topsy Turvy hop. What a great concept put on by Rebecca and let me think. I called them the dynamic duo because they seem to be creating all these, and Jen, duh, where they are taking traditional holidays that are happening in the month, and we are doing just kind of like topsy-turvy pages regarding that. So I was playing around also with one of the challenges for paper issues for their crop this weekend, and I was kind of liking this swirl idea. So I'm gonna cut out a bunch more thin strips, and we're gonna create some swirls along the page. I've got this pebbles we go together cute Valentine's Day collection. I've got some papers. I think this was like a Valentine's kit put together by somebody. I can't think at the moment who. I got it from somewhere. And then some other, there's just random embellishments too. This is a cut file. These stickers. But I'm going to scrap these pages. So the whole point is taking topsy-turvy. So using Valentine's papers and collections and what you have it, and documenting something that is not a person or a pet that you love. So what I've got is my son falling in love with ribs for the first time. So that is what we're going to document. Oh yeah, here is, oh yeah, and I've got a little epoxy shapes here. Some epoxy hearts. Did it come? Must have been partially a scrapbooking kit. Must have been. And then I just added some extra stuff. So, yeah. Super fun. So, I've got this. We're going to create some swirls and twirls on the page. I think I might use one of these cardstocks. I don't quite know how I want my design yet. I have an idea, but I'm not quite sure. But I love that this little Pebbles collection has these blues in it, and it works well because my son's shirt is very blue, so it'll work really, really well. But I have 3 photos. I'll probably trim a couple of them down pretty small. I don't know if I'll use this maybe... Maybe we'll see. I don't know if I'll use this specialty paper. This is a Recollections foil paper. Kind of just put like all my Valentine-y stuff together. I mean, this could be used for anything, but I don't know if I'll use that. But I'm definitely going to use this collection. So let me cut some more strips and get some more curlicues made. And yeah, let's see what we can make of this. Okay, so I've cut a bunch of curlicues, and all I did was like wrap them around a pencil, and I've kind of figured out a background for how I want my pictures laid out. Trimmed my photos down, and I'm just matting them on this candy stripe type paper. And how perfect is it that I really didn't plan this. I kind of picked out my photos and just grabbed my Valentine stash. That the Valentines are like food pairs. And we're doing food, so this works out really well actually. Let's see. I need to... So yeah, I've laid down blue strip at the top and the bottom, and then did the food, and then bordered it with strips of the red, which is just the back of this. And so I think what we're gonna stick one photo up here, and then we're gonna do these 2 down here. And then I was playing with the curlicues, and I know the only problem is gluing them, but I know I could glue them almost into a heart, but I don't know if I want to do that. So I was thinking about just gluing them. I don't know how easy that would be, is more like it. So I'm being lazy. Just gluing them kind of as is. figuring out where I want to do that for sure at. I wanted to back this one with blue as well. Make this one stand out a little bit more. And I want to use, yeah, I don't think I'll be using this cut file that I have, but I definitely want to use these stickers. So these things should all get used. I'm just to the point now where I'm just trying to figure out a configuration for my photos and my embellishments and where I want these curly cues. Because I really want to use them. I just don't know how at the moment. So let's pop these up on foam, because then the curly cues need to get tucked under anyway. This way they have the room to be tucked under the photos if needed. I just can't think of a good way to do this. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out a good way to make what kind of is in my brain happen, right? That's usually the hard part. Brain, what do you want? What do we want to happen here? Just figuring that out. So I'm gonna pop this stuff up on foam and just kind of play around and maybe add some of these stickers in. Maybe that'll help, and see what I can come up with, okay? But that's where we're at so far. All right, folks. I started going to town and figured something out, and I liked it, and so I just left it that way. So I decided just to use my curly cues kind of as design. I don't mind it. It's not maybe my favorite. I'm not sure how I feel about it at the moment. But I added a couple stickers, a couple little banners there to do my journaling. There were some gold sparkly stickers in one of the sticker sheets, and then these puffy red. There was a title on that thing that said "You plus me equals love." So I just grabbed thickers and did the word "ribs plus me equals love" instead. I'm going to take some of this rose gold red vibes and sprinkle that on. All I did for these curly cues was put a bunch of glue down, put a bunch of Nuvo down, and set, like, I put like my gesso on top, just something to keep it kind of there. I'm sorry. Doing my splatters. The most annoying way possible, it feels like. And yeah, just kind of scattered. I liked they're just a design element now instead of like stealing the show. I don't know. And so I rearranged my photos. I went kind of against what I normally do. And like these ones, it feels like he's looking that way, this one. But at the same time, he's looking forward directly at us on this one. So it doesn't bother me too much that it's over on the left-hand side. Normally it would kind of bother me, but not so much. Not so much this time. Get some of the splatters off my photos. But I like it. I like it. I'm just not so sure. I think just because the curly cues are just not what I thought they would be, you know? I don't know what I thought they would be, honestly. And they're actually still too thick to fun foam, to go under fun foam. So that was another reason I decided to like keep them on the outside instead of, and I mainly was doing the curly cue thing because I wanted to try out twirling some paper, just playing with it, another texture, and it was for a paper issues challenge for the crop. That was just this last weekend. So that is my layout, you guys. tried to balance the title being over here with stuff over here. I think I did a pretty good job of making that feel balanced. But yeah, did a little bit of journaling, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out everybody else who is playing in this amazing hop down below. And yeah, we'll see you next time.